Dear friends, in last video we have seen how to add course material to our Google Classroom. Now, in this video we are going to see how to create the assignment for the students and how to evaluate using rubric assignment. I will tell you step by step. Please listen carefully. To create assignment, first of all, we have to go to our classroom, which we have created already. In that classroom, click on the classwork. Then click on create button and move to assignment button. Yeah, it will ask you for the title of the assignment and instruction of the assignment. Instruction is optional. For example, I am giving the title as assignment 1. In instruction section, I am giving as submit the assignment within due date. Now click the add button. From this you can add your assignment through Google Drive or from link or from file or from YouTube. Likewise, you can also add your assignment by pressing click create button through doc, slide, sheets, drawing or forms. Now I am going to create the assignment through document, which is the dynamic page. For example, I am giving here the assignment question. Before that I am typing assignment 1. Okay, my questions are: number 1, explain IoT architecture, and number 2 is application of IoT. Okay, each answer should have 10 pages, totally 20 pages. So you can also set here the document, untitled document, as named as assignment 1 by clicking this. Yes, now it is changed. Now as usual you just close it so that it will be automatically saved in your Google Class. Yeah, now it is saved. Just you come here in the right hand side. Here you can give some points for the assignment. Here I am giving the point as 5. Due date is after 2 days. So yeah, 15/17. You can also add your time before 11:59 p.m. or any time. You can set as your wish. Then you have to add that topic under which you want to give this assignment. I am choosing here unit 1. Okay, assigned. So assignment is created in your Google Classroom by pressing assign button. Click the assign button. See here under the topic unit 1 the assignment has created. Just you click it. Yeah, from this untitled document you can see what are the questions, right? Yeah, these are all the questions. Like that we can see here. Now we are going to set the rubric assignment. We will see the rubric assignment. In the assignment area there is a rubric. I will tell you how to set this rubric assignment. The rubric is nothing but just set the marks what I am expecting from the student's assignment. I will tell you with the example for better understanding. See, this is the two criteria. Criteria 1 is completeness. Criteria 2 is submission deadline. So here there are the two level under this criteria. One is 20 page completed. Those who have completed 20 pages, they will score or they will get 3 marks. If the students is incomplete and less than 20 page means they will be awarded by 1 mark. Likewise, in criteria 2, in the submission deadline, if the students is submit on time, they will be awarded by 2 mark. If the student submit late, they will be awarded by 1 mark. Got it? See, so that if the student submit with 20 pages completed and on time means they will get totally 3 plus 2, 5 mark. If the student completed with 20 pages but late submission means 3 plus 1, 4 mark. I hope you understood. In the way, if the student is submit with less than 20 page but on time submission means 1 plus 2, 3 mark. And if the student is less than 20 pages submission and also they have submitted late, then they will be awarded by 2 mark. Okay, so I hope you understood. Now we will enter again in our Google Classroom. The same procedure will be followed for few steps. That is title, assignment 2, instruction, submit the assignment on time. Okay, click this document. This is assignment 2. Question number 1, IoT architecture. Question number 2, IoT application. Okay, again you set here the untitled document as assignment 2. Just you close it. It will be saved automatically, redirected to this page. Now come here in the right hand side. Yeah, in the point side, you can grade it as 5 mark, and you can also set due date and time, etc. As usual, what we have done in for assignment 1. And here I am choosing this topic under unit 2. Now you select this rubric, click on create rubric. It is redirected to this page. Here I have used use scoring. Okay, now I am setting my first criteria is completeness. So given here completeness, the point must be 3. The level is completed 20 pages. And here the description is good. So this is the first level over. By adding this icon, you can add one level. This is the second level. Second level markers 1 if they have submitted less than 20 pages, incomplete and less than 20 page. Description is bad. See, I hope you understand. See, the student, those who have submitted with 20 pages, they will be awarded 3 marks, and those who are submitted less than 20 page and incompleted, then they will be awarded only 1 mark. Now you click this add a criterion. For the second criteria, I am setting here submission deadline. The point is 2 mark. Those who are submitted on time, for on time students, description is good. By adding this click icon, add a second level. Point is 1. Level is late submission. And description is poor. So in this criteria, what I am giving here, the students, those who have submitted on time, they will be awarded by 2 mark, and those the students on submission late, they will be awarded only 1 mark. Okay, this is the criteria what I have set up for this assignment 2. So in this way, you can add the levels as many as you want. Now click the save button so that the rubric method is saved. Okay, now you assign it. Click the assign button. Assign this assignment to the students. See, under unit 2, the assignment. What we have assigned to the students, it is there in the assignment. By clicking it and we'll check. Okay, remaining we will see in the next video. Thank you.